Dear students, in this video we will discuss qualitative test for phenols. Qualitative means when we identify any chemical substance with the help of their quality. Quality means with the help of color, odor, like this. There are two things, qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative test in which we measure the quantity of chemical substance, these are called quantitative. But in your syllabus is only qualitative test for phenols. First test to identify phenols is ferric chloride test. Compounds with a phenol group will form a blue, violet, purple, green or red brown color upon addition of aqueous ferric chloride due to the formation of ferric phenoxide. Means this color come due to the formation of ferric phenoxide. कहने का मतलब है कि अगर आप फिनोल्स को ट्रीट करें फेरिक क्लोराइड के साथ, देन इट विल फॉर्म फेरिक फिनोक्साइड एंड इट हैव द कलर लाइक ब्लू, वायलेट, पर्पल, ग्रीन, रेड, ब्राउन कलर. इट इज डिपेंड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ फिनोल. दिस रिएक्शन कैन बी यूज्ड एज एन आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट ऑफ phenol group. What is the procedure? Procedure is a more sensitive test for phenol consists of dissolving or suspending 15 milligram of the unknown in 0.5 ml of methylene chloride. क्या करेंगे, फिनोल को अननोन जो भी फिनोल होगा आपके पास उसको हम किस में डिजोल्व कर देंगे, मिथाइलिन क्लोराइड के अंदर. And adding 3 to 5 drops of 1% sodium ferric chloride. उसके अंदर क्या डालेंगे, 1% sodium ferric chloride. Methylene chloride used as an indicator and ferric chloride used to form the ferric phenoxide. Add a drop of pyridine and stirrer. Observation: addition of pyridine and stirring with produce a color if phenol or enols are present. ओके, क्या होगा, आपको कलर जब आप ऐड करेंगे पायरिडीन को और स्टीयर करेंगे देन इट विल प्रोड्यूस कलर. ठीक है. रिएक्शन, फिनोल्स रिएक्ट विथ फेरिक क्लोराइड एंड टू गिव कलर्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स with ferric phenoxide. Next qualitative test is coupling reaction. In weakly alkaline medium, phenols react with benzene diazonium chloride to form colored substances, okay, which are called as azodyes. Means weakly alkaline medium के अंदर जो फिनोल्स होते हैं वे किसके साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, बेंजीन डाइएजोनियम क्लोराइड के साथ, और क्या बनाते हैं, एजोडाइज बनाते हैं. और यू नो एजोडाइज हैव द देयर कलर, सो वी कैन डिफ्रेंशिएट द फिनोल्स. ओके. द रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस एट 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature and also known as coupling reaction. ओके. मीन्स आप फिनोल लेंगे रिएक्शन में और साथ में क्या लेंगे, बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड, और कितने टेम्परेचर पे, 273 से 278 केल्विन टेम्परेचर पे आप जब आप लेंगे देन इट विल गिव कपलिंग रिएक्शन. मीन्स इट कपल्ड बोथ द न्यूक्लियस विद द हेल्प ऑफ डाइएजो बॉन्डिंग. डाइएजो मीन्स डाई मीन्स 2, एजो मीन्स नाइट्रोजन. 2 नाइट्रोजन के साथ जब बॉन्डिंग होती है इसे बोलते हैं डाइएजो. सो इट इज़ ए डाइएजो प्रोडक्ट और यू कैन से कपलिंग रिएक्शन. ठीक है. एंड दिस डाइएजो प्रोडक्ट्स हैव different type of colors, so you can identify the phenols. Next is bromination. Bromination. Simply you can do the bromination of the phenols. Phenols forms polyhalogen derivatives with chlorine or bromine water. ठीक है, polyhalogen derivatives with chlorine or bromine water. Poly means a large number of halogens. It may be bromine, it may be chlorine. For example, with bromine water, it forms 2,4,6 tribromophenol, which is participated as white precipitate. Okay, you can see the reaction. Phenol react with bromine and it will form 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Okay. Next is Lieberman nitro reaction. When phenol is treated with sodium nitrite, when phenol is treated with sodium nitrite and concentrated H2SO4, it develops a deep green or deep blue color which turns red on careful dilution with distilled water. Basification of this solution with NaOH solution brings back the green or blue color. Means in Lieberman nitro reaction you can see phenol react with concentrated H2SO4 and sodium nitrite, then it will form para-nitrophenol. Okay, after that, after the tautomerism, it will form quinone monoxime, and this quinone monoxime again react with another molecule of phenol. Means in this reaction two phenol molecules are involved. Then when it react with quinone monoxime, then it will form indophenol hydrogen sulfate, which have the deep blue color. As I already mentioned in the reaction, it react with NaNO2 and H2SO4, then it will form deep blue color. Okay, how it come? When two molecule of phenols react with NaNO2 and H2SO4, and it will form the intermediate quinone monoxime, and finally it will form the indophenol hydrogen sulfate, and it have the deep blue color. It turns red on careful dilution. Means when you dilute this indophenol, then it will turns to red. Okay, it turns to red. And basification of this solution with NaOH solution, it brings back to green blue color. After the basification with the help of NaOH, it will change to sodium salt of indophenol, and it have the color like deep blue. Okay, this is the one more qualitative test to identify the phenols. नेक्स्ट इज थैलीन रिएक्शन. आपने सुना होगा फिनोफ्थलीन. ठीक है, फिनोफ्थलीन का स्ट्रक्चर अगर आपने देखा है तो दिस फिनोफ्थलीन स्ट्रक्चर इज कम फ्रॉम द फिनोल्स. टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ फिनोल से क्या होता है, फिनोफ्थलीन प्रिपेयर्ड होता है. और आप जानते हैं फिनोफ्थलीन यूज्ड एज ए इंडिकेटर. मीन्स इट गिव different pH, different colors. So you can identify the phenols with the help of this reaction. When phenol treated with phthalic anhydride in presence of concentrated H2SO4 or anhydrous ZnCl2 or zinc chloride, phthalene with the characteristic color depending on the pH of the reaction medium. So here you can see here two molecules of phenols are used and one is phthalic anhydride. So in presence of zinc chloride and H2SO4, it will give phenolphthalein. So this is the reaction qualitative test to identify the phenols. Okay, uh, in qualitative test of phenol, we have discussed about the ferric chloride test, coupling reaction, Lieberman-Nitro reaction, and Thielin reaction. Now come to the differences between alcohol and phenols. I think all of you know the differences. Please read them. First is OH group is attached to alkyl group in alcohols. In phenols, OH attached to the aryl group. Hydroxyl derivatives of alkane, hydroxyl derivative of benzene. The compound in which one hydrogen of water is replaced by alkyl group. Okay, if you take the H2O, then if you replace one hydrogen with the alkyl group, then it will form the alcohol. In in phenols, the compound in which one hydrogen of water is replaced by the aryl group. General formula ROH and where C6H5OH. Lower alcohols are colorless liquid, colorless crystalline delicate solids. They have sweet smell. Phenols, they have characteristic phenolic odor. These alcohols are readily soluble in water, but solubility decrease in higher alcohols. Okay, alcohols react in two ways: reaction in CO bond breaks and reaction in OH bond breaks. Okay, and aromatics or phenols sparingly soluble in water, forming a pink solution but completely soluble above 68.5 degrees Celsius. Phenolate ions have resonance structure, but alcohols do not have resonance structure. So please remember all the things and difference between alcohol and phenols. Thank you.